Welcome back to my channel. Ang ituturo ko naman sa inyo ay paano malaman kung ang iyong ginagamit and access ay authorized filer lang or company account. For in this sample, may dashboard lang siya at saka forms. Dapat 'yan kung company authorized filer account yung gamit mo, dapat may dashboard dito at saka may authorized filer dito and forms. So, dapat tatlo 'to kung company authorized filer. So, paano mo ma-access ang company account ng isang corporation? 'Yan ang ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon. Una, tumawag muna kayo sa SEC hotline to confirm kung ano ang company account ninyo. Sasabihin nila sa yan once you know the SEC registration number at full name ng company na gusto nyong i-access yung company authorized filer. And dapat, and this is very important, meron kayong access dun sa MC28 na pagbibigyan ng validation email nyo. Pag wala, it won't work kasi kailangan doon ilalagay, doon isasubmit, doon isasend ni SEC yung validation email. So, pag alam mo na yung details ng company mo, pwede ka nang mag-forget or forgot email dito. So, magfo-forgot forgot password. So, sa forgot password, ilalagay mo yung select company. So, importante na company ang piliin mo. And then, after mong maselect yung company, kailangan may input ka na registration numbers, company name, at company yung company na yung company na username na binigay sa'yo. And then, sa yung email mo, mare-receive mo yung validation code dun sa email mo, tapos i-copy and paste mo lang yon. Ito na yung email, so i-copy and paste mo lang yung validation code dun sa kabilang portion, dun sa e-fast mo. Yan, tapos mag-create ka ng new password. Importanteng meron kang new password at iko-confirm mo yan. Tapos magla-login ka na using your new password. So again, para malaman mo kung company account na yung ina-access mo, ito na yung mangyayari. Pag login mo na, so okay na, congratulations na pasok mo na yung company filer account. Ngayon naman, ang need mong gawin para makapag e-fast ka is to proceed with my next video on how to um, designate authorized filer kasi meron ka ng authorized filer dito. So yon, thank you for watching. If there's anything na pwede ko pang anything na pwedeng i-tutorial, please let me know and please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.